We are on our way to Athens, Texas to see the RV Unplugged, or go to the RV Unplugged Rally. So it's the first time they've ever had this rally. It's the first time they've ever had the show. So I'm sure it's going to be a learning experience for everybody. We're looking forward to it, and we'll show you some things in just a minute.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark.
And I'm Gail.
And this is starting the second season of Traveling Marlins. Over the last 20 plus years, we've owned a couple of Airstreams, a fifth wheel, and now this Class A motorhome. Our channel is centered around our experiences, how we do things, how we prep for trips, and how we conclude our trips on what we do and where we go.
This week we're focused on the RV Unplugged Rally.
It was a 4-day boondocking experience out in a field outside of the National RVTA schoolhouse and by Athens, Texas. And boondocking, no electric, no water, no sewage. It was what you brought. So if you didn't have water, you're in trouble. If you didn't have a generator, you're in trouble. Mm-hmm. If you didn't have solar, you're going to be in trouble. If you didn't have something. Yeah. So this is just part of what went on this weekend.
Right
there he is.
Yep, I see him.
I see the girl from Alaska.
Do you?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, Martha.
Yeah.
And Howard.
How you doing?
Yeah, are you? Hi, what's your name?
Mark.
Mark. Do you have which?
Are you one of the new state nomads?
Yeah, so she told you, so we literally have a spot just for you.
Oh.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're special!
Because I was like, I knew there was going to be at least a couple free votes. So yeah, there's a spot just for you.
Okay.
We're special, Mark. I don't know if that's good or bad. We're here, RV Unplugged, first time ever. And thank you to those who have subscribed. It's helping our channel a lot.
It is, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider ringing the bell and signing up. It really helps the channel out, and we really do appreciate it.
Yeah, it'll help us get more tools, which will help us produce better videos. And then if you change the bell to the black bell, then you will be notified when we put anything in the community area or post a video or anything like that. So it helps you as well. RV Unplugged takes 8 RVs, 8 teams, and moves them to a remote location with 0 resources while running the contestants, the RVers, through rigorous trials to win survival basics and the chance to stay in the game and walk away with $10,000. This first season included 8 big-name YouTube creators, half of which we've watched for years. We've watched Phil and Stacy, Chris and Aaron, Chris and Katrina, and Ben and Charity. Now we watch all of them. What you're going to be watching are just little clips of different things that went on this last weekend. There's going to be some silliness. There's going to be little clips of some sessions that we watched, some introductions, and then some of the schoolhouse when we went inside of there. So you'll see some captured video of that as well.
And over the weekend, we got to know, as I think Gail's already mentioned, we got to know about all 8 of the contestants, but it was just an absolutely wonderful experience meeting these people, visiting with them, and they couldn't have been nicer people.
Yeah, agreed.
So
here we go.
What y'all been doing?
Christine and Aaron from Iron Travels.
They were using the map to get here. I don't think they got lost. The Cowdar was not on.
Yeah, that and her watch.
To both the cast and crew, but we'll let you know, we're only down to the final 4. There will be no questions about who wins. So no questions, no statements about who wins. I win. Nothing. That's all I win is nothing. All right. But if you have questions, memorable moments, if you have questions about, well, why did you do this or that, right? They have agreed to answer everything that you guys ask. I need to reveal to you the cheating was more of a mistake. Okay, let me tell you what's going on. When we sat down with our coaches, Phil and Stacy, we were still divining, I guess, what we were going to do. And part of the thought was, well, we had 2 coaches coming. We had Phil and Stacy, and we were going to have Chad and Tara. Because of health conditions, Tara couldn't make it, and we said, what would be great? Let's split Phil and Stacy. They have a wonderful rapport. We're going to let them duke it out. And part of that was, let you guys do some mischief. There was an error in translation on what mischief meant. So it wasn't that one team was cheating. It was they were like, oh, we are to do some mischief, right? The thought was that wouldn't be during a competition. So it wasn't expressed. Okay, so I know that some people asked that. We know that there was some people that love it because that is gameplay, but other people hate it.
How tough, what is it to put your lives out there to all of us? We know you, we see you. I walked up to you going, you know me, because I've been watching you, you've been watching me, right? So how tough is it to put your life out there?
It is so weird when people walk up to us and say, we know you, we know everything about you. Yeah. You don't know us. So, I mean, we've been doing this 5 years, Stacy and I, and it's still weird.
I knew I wanted to go out the furthest. I wanted to go down deep, and if I couldn't make it back, there were people in the water to help me. As soon as I did the slowest dog paddle you've ever seen, I think they got it. The tongue is going under. I made it back, but that was, for me, the hardest was the goddamn swimming.
We called it. We were like, look. We were going to keep the cameras rolling, of course. You never know what happened. But yeah, I mean, and I will tell you, blue team had, red team, guys, there's something different when there's a competition on the line, right? Your adrenaline rushes, everything is exaggerated, and you burn your calories, you burn your energy really quick. And even if you just went once, they were coming in gas. Like when Ben came in, I think he just rolled over.
These people here, this entire cast, we thank God every day these are the ones we ended up with, because I don't think we could have done that.
I say stories like this when I was told we don't make one dark afternoon. The reporter stopped me for an interview. She said she's heard stories and she's heard Facebook and her visions on the mic.
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a beach blonde tramp. He's running like frisky.
You better hold on! Jason, shoot in slow motion. We'll put the next
You're all doing it too! 8 seconds, I'm a winner!
2 hands!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
A lot of cameras. It's a Friday night around here. Chris is the conga line. Come on. I was afraid to go too fast there, or we would be engaged.
You missed it all. Get in
I got some last night.
that was pretty good.
He's been doing this all day.
Yeah.
She's so sexy, I ain't been fantasy. Refuge stacking back with the Fugees from a third world country. I go back like when Pop carried crates for Humpty Hump. We need a whole club. Why the CIA running around? It's from Colombians and Haitians. I ain't building some musical transaction. No one will be snatched. Refugees run the seas cause we know our own boat.
Hi, Louie. Oh, look at your eyes. Hi, Junebug.
They had a.
Is she an angel? She is adorable.
They're 18. Yeah. So you got a
I
lot of
love her markings. Well, both of them.
Yeah. He's the classic color for this breed. This is the classic chestnut. And when we only had him, like I used to snub my nose at the other colors.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yeah. You're going to get your gorilla. You got your gorilla. You gotta take toys when you travel. Yes, you do. Oh, he good boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Piece of this. If a little meat comes off, you burn. If you take this off, you can smoke this down at some point too into what's called tallow. What is tallow, Todd? Besides liquid gold. So a lot of people, when they do these, and you go, we're going to talk about the wrap in a second.
You ever been to a junior high band concert? You know what I'm saying? All right. Does not produce good stuff, right? Over time, my cells get out of balance. Okay? All the batteries that are out of the market, unless you're spending quite a bit. Vitron makes one, and then we have a couple others above them. So you're looking at $3 grand a battery. We have what's called top balance or passive balance.
The HOA doesn't allow that, so that you do have to watch that, and sometimes city ordinances too. So that's where you want to find somebody that's got a really nice long driveway, preferably that's level. We do have a horror mooch docking story when the fridge was not a compressor-driven style, about mooch docking in a driveway that was slanted like this, and then our fridge went out, and we thought we just needed to reset it, and that threw it into lockout mode, and it was a whole ordeal, and we will never do that again. So.
We actually put a certified student advisor, and so she is in charge of all of our student advisors. So she'll be leading the way. So everybody say hi, Tanya. Hi, Tanya. Hi. All right. We'll turn it over to you. Please sing Delta Dawn. Oh.
That was last night. To start a small business with billable hours with the skills that you're acquiring. And they don't actually tell you exactly how to do it, but they give you, like I said, the footprint. And then there is also another program that can be acquired, and it will give you assistance with setting up your LLCs, your insurance, your tax exempt numbers, everything that you need for your business, and start absorbing. But the week of fundamentals, going back to, Todd goes over everything with that. You get about 28 hours of that week of theory and about 12 hours of hands-on time. So it is a good 40-hour week. Once you complete fundamentals, then if you did want to go through additional weeks of training, then those advanced classes, you're going to get, it's going to flip.
62 in there.
You know what you're doing.
I've got.
Is that a margarita machine, sir?
I've got a pen.
It is Cinco de Mayo.
I knew this was going to be tight, but I did not know it was literally going to be a photo finish.
Yeah. There we go.
It's almost touching.
It's almost touching.
Oh, we touched! Just do that, like that way. We touch right now.
Red team.
Okay, right there.
And for all those moms out there, happy Mother's Day. And we hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Is that what I'm supposed to say? Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Oh,
I'm off.
it's
I'm off.
it's a great day.
It's a great day. That's Penny saying from the Big Bang.
Wait, what's our logo? What's our thing? It's a great day.
Best day ever.
Best day ever. It's the best day ever.
Not the best day ever.
Best day ever. You're going to hear that more and more.
No, they're not.
Look at the camera.
You're not.
You are.